I know it's been a while, but welcome to Model Airports, and today we'll be assembling a PC. I have my best friend over here helping me today.
Hi, my name is Ronick, and I've already built my PC, and now we're helping this poor fellow.
So before we start telling you about the parts, I have a question for you, Ronick. What inspired you to build a PC?
Well, ever since online school started, I really wanted a faster computer or just something to do my schoolwork on. And yeah, so I just ended up building a PC for me to do schoolwork, play video games, all of that stuff on it.
Just know that we got all these parts from Micro Center. Over here, the graphics card, one of the hardest parts to get. We had to spend 3 hours waiting outside Micro Center in a line, and luckily we got this. So now let's start on everything.
And for our case, we chose the Corsair 220 RGB. We chose this case because it comes with 3 RGB fans and a nice mesh front panel for cooling.
So for our motherboard, we've got an Asus Stuff Gaming X570 Plus Wi-Fi edition. For our RAM, we've got the Trident Z RGB G.Skill, and we've got 2 sticks with each 8 gigabytes.
And for our fans, for extra fans, we got the Lian Uni fans, just because they look really nice and there's not too much RGB on the blades. And then for storage, we have a 2 terabyte Seagate Barracuda hard drive and a 500 gig M.2 and NVMe drive for our Windows.
Over here, we've got our CPU, the Ryzen 7 3700X.
And for our power supply, we have an EVGA 650 GT, which should be plenty for this system.
And last but not least, our graphics card. This is a 3060 EVGA edition, and it has 12 gigabytes of VRAM. So it's been a little over 2 months since we built a PC and it's turning out great. It's so much more smoother than my Chromebook over here. And I play a few games on my PC now. I play Fortnite and Roblox mainly nowadays. And also daily, I always clean my glass case. And over this month, I think a few days ago, I cleaned my keyboard and mouse to make the setup look really good. So this is the overview of the setup. And we might add a few changes to this, maybe, maybe not. So this is how I like it right now. And yeah, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell on my channel so you never miss a video. Peace. Bye. For our